Hey guys, so we had a client call us. They have a couple vans they needed wrapped. It is for the independent restoration professionals out of Poway. This is going to be their first set of fleet vehicles done, so we're pretty excited to get this going for them. They let us know kind of what they were looking for, and I sent it right out to my amazing graphic design team, Reese Creative. What they did is created a one-of-a-kind wrap. Essentially what it does is it really just translates the branding right onto the vehicle. You're getting a business card that's rolling around on wheels 24/7. What we did is we sent it over to them. Honestly, the first go, they loved what they saw. They approved it. Here's what we're going to end up seeing at the end. So what we did is we sent out that design to our guys at SD Design House, Nick Ashton, the owner, and then all their boys over there. They really take good care of you. What he did was he printed everything out for us. That includes perf, vinyls, and cut graphics for us. We got everything printed, went and picked up. I brought it in the house. It's in here. We're ready to get this going. Let's roll. Patience is key with this one. All right, so we got this thing transfer taped. All pieces are together. We're gonna take all this off the backing paper and then we're gonna put it right on the car and slowly but surely work your way down the vehicle. And this thing should be on there, looking good, ready to get decals right over top of it. That's your core wrap to the side. You're almost done. So now what we're doing is basically kind of buttoning everything up and reinstalling everything we uninstalled. Last step is just reapplying our badge. Fact. That's a wrap, baby. That's a wrap. GoatWraps. Lay it, don't spray it. We did it for them, we'll do it for you.